Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking super easy and delicious Sichuan cabbage stir fry, or otherwise known in Chinese as 手撕包菜. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll prepare the sauce for the cabbage. I have with me over here 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of black vinegar. If you like your dish to be a little bit more tangy, you can actually add a little bit more. This is optional, but it helps to elevate the taste of the dish. Half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Alternatively, you can replace this with half a teaspoon of MSG. Add in also half a teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste. Mix them up well. And after you have mixed them up well, we'll put the dish together. Heat up your pan using medium heat or medium-high heat. Do not add any oil. We need to char the cabbage for a little while. The cabbage I'm using is 330 grams, which I've actually torn using my hands. Spread them out a little bit. Now we are getting rid of the excess moisture from the cabbage so that later the sauce can coat this very beautifully. Right? Let them have contact with a pan or wok. This is a very famous dish in Sichuan. They call it 手撕包菜. Now why hand cut? They believe that when you hand cut, instead of using a knife to cut it, you actually can absorb the sauce much better. Just let them stay in the pan for about a minute or so, then we'll flip it to the other side. Just chop them and get rid of the excess moisture. Right, something like this is very nice. A little bit of chop here and there. This is what we want. Just continue to do this and I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've chopped this for about a total of 3 minutes. As you can see, they are beautifully chopped. This is what we want. Okay, so now we just remove this from heat and now we'll put the dish together. Now we'll put the dish together. Heat up your pan using medium heat. Add in a suitable amount of oil. A little bit of oil is needed for this. Add in 3 cloves of garlic chop. Now you do not need to wash your pan after you dry fry the cabbage. Add in also 3 pieces of dried chilli, deseeded and rehydrated. Plus I added in a little bit of this red color or red Sichuan peppercorn. This to give this dish a very nice unique taste. Right, almost immediately you can smell the beautiful fragrance coming up from here. When the garlic starts to brown like this, we add in our cabbage back. Mix them up together. Now don't turn down the heat. This is supposed to be a quick fry. Right, almost immediately you can see that this is very beautiful now. Now we're adding our sauce. Give it a light stir again and pour everything in. Mix them up well. Wow, smells so good. Look at how pretty this is. Really, really good. Just mix them up a little bit and fry them until the cabbage is almost translucent like this, especially on the stalk. That means it's cooked. Okay? And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Wow, smells absolutely delicious. Let's try this now. Oh, savory. You can feel a little bit of heat, not too much, and it's crunchy. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. 哇，好吃。